Task 18U, create a new report showing all the data for all the cars in stock made by Audi, BMW or Mercedes. Hide all the labels and data for ID, valid and P date field from the report. Hide the P price data but not the title by selecting a background. Okay, so first of all what we have to do that task in a task 18U, first of all we have to open such a table uh, in which P date, valid and ID, these three fields are available. Okay, so first of all we will get that. So here is a car task 18C. When I see the design view, here I am getting the P date and valid, these two fields are here. And now I can write a query for this query on this table to get all details about the Audi as well as BMW, and third is Mercedes. Okay, so this is our table on which we have to carry the query. So this table is selected over here, and here I am going to create a wizard for query. So query wizard is here. Click OK. Now table is selected correctly, so I select all the selected field, click on a next, and here is the detail shows every field of the records. Next, here I'm going to change that it is a part of what it is U. It is a part of U, so I'll save it by using cars underscore task 18U query, and click on a modify design so that we can change it later on. So here we have created this query, and in this query what we have to do that we have to select the make Audi or BMW or Mercedes. Okay, so we will check that what we get in this query. What is the name of that query? Just a minute, let me confirm. It's a U. Okay, so here is a U, so I'm going to run this query. Car task 18C is already open. Okay, so we close it first, and now we can execute. Yes, open. Here you are getting Mercedes, Audi and BMW must be there, but BMW we can't see. Let's just check design view. Okay, here is spelling mistake, so I'll make this correction, BMW, and again I'm checking, run. Okay, so here I'm getting now the BMW. Okay, so this is the query. I'm going to save this, save. Okay, so this particular query is saved with the car task 18U query. Now I'm going to create a wizard to create a report wizard. Okay, so here I'm going to create a report wizard for the 18U query, and I want all these information to display in a query. So I've selected all, and then click on a next. Again next, here next in tabular format, and here is landscape because the huge size of means the horizontally the columns are more, so I click on landscape, and I think landscape is mentioned over there. No, so landscape is selected. Next, modify design, and the content will be display car underscore task 18 you query. Click on a finish. Okay, so here is the report, and the report is showing that so car with Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. Okay, I have to arrange this at the center. Okay, open property sheet and make it text align equal to center. Find a text align. Here is a text align, so I'll select it and I'll click on the center, so it align at the center. Make it the capital car. Okay, car with Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. Okay, now what we have to do here, here we have to hide all the labels and data for ID, valid, and pdate. Okay, for ID, valid, and pdate we have to label and data, we have to hide it. Okay, so we can change the visibility of this, means by using property sheet we can change the visible to no for ID, valid, and pdate. Okay, so we'll do that first. So we know that ID is here, ID, then control ID, data as well as the heading that we are going to select. Then here is valid and pdate. Okay, these elements we want to change visibility to no, so here is a yes, we are going to change it to no. So when we open this report or when we go to print this report, then valid, pdate, and ID that will not display. Okay, second thing, here B price is given, and in B price I think P price or S price, just let me check it out. Yes, P price, P price means B price, I have taken that B price, so that is B price. Okay, this B price we have to disable, but by using the background color, means what I will do the background color of the B price will be black, as well as the forecolor of the B price will be black. Okay, so here I have selected this. Now background color of this B price will be black. To do it, I'm going to back color. Yeah, there is a back color. Click over here and select the black color for the background. So here I'm going to select the black color for the background. Okay, and the same forecolor will be there, so that it is disabled. Forecolor is font. Here is a forecolor, and it must be also black, so I'll select the black. Okay, so forecolor and back color are both are black now. Now here I am going to arrange the layout, okay, so that it will look better. So I will arrange these things. First I arrange this ID takes very less space, then make, I reduce the size, and here is okay, then model, here I'm changing the size of model and as well as the position of the model. Okay, then color. So here B price is given, P price or B price. I'm using here B price instead of B price means buying price, or you can say purchase price, P price. Okay, so next is a S price, that is a sale price. So I'm adjusting this also. Okay, next is the year. Next is the extras. So here are extras. This is a wallet. And here's the P date. Okay, so P date is here. Now what I want to do, I want to this B price is already, I have made black in background as well as for color. Now here P date as then S date, P date, make, just a minute, I'll check that. P date, ID and valid. P date, ID and valid. These are disabled now because visibility is disabled over here. So we'll check the output. If you check this output as a print preview, okay, when you open this or when you check the print preview of this, then you will get that here ID is disabled. Okay, here valid is disabled, P date is disabled. Only you can see the make, model, color, B price, S price, years and extras. Okay, here B price is disabled, or disable you can say. We have made the blank background, that buying price must be disabled, it must not display to the client, so we disable it by using the black background color and the fore color to the text. Okay, so here is the output of car task 18U. This is the output of task 18U. Okay, so we have already saved it, query we have saved, as well as we have saved this report also.